What is Apache Kafka? Apache Kafka is the most popular open-source stream processing software for collecting, processing, storing, and analyzing data at scale. Most known for its excellent performance, low latency, fault tolerance, and high throughput, it's capable of handling thousands of messages per second. With over 1,000 Kafka use cases and counting, some common benefits are building data pipelines, leveraging real-time data streams, enabling operational metrics, and data integration across countless sources. Today, Kafka is used by thousands of companies including over 60% of the Fortune 100. Among these are Box, Goldman Sachs, Target, Cisco, Intuit, and more. As the trusted tool for empowering and innovating companies, Kafka allows organizations to modernize their data strategies with event streaming architecture. Learn how Kafka is used by organizations in every industry, from computer software, financial services, and healthcare, to government and transportation. Power of Apache Kafka? More than 80% of all Fortune 100 companies trust and use Kafka. Apache Kafka is an open-source distributed event streaming platform used by thousands of companies for high-performance data pipelines, streaming analytics, data integration, and mission-critical applications. Thanks for your time.